thanks for stopping by. Today I just wanted to film a quick install video for you guys of the Desert Does It seat jackers, what I think is the #1 mod you need to do when you get your Tacoma. I literally ordered these before I took delivery of my truck. So I had already filmed a video of it, but it really sucked, so I'm going to try and redo it. It's super quick, super easy install. Let's get right into it. Okay, I sort of cheated. Like, I just removed these and just ran the bolts down quick. So let's start ripping them out. We'll start in the back. So hopefully you can get a visual. Doesn't really help that the floor mats are going to come up. You just pop the plastic trim off the back of the seats. Rip these out. These don't have to come out all the way. You just have to do that to tilt the seat back. Now we'll slide the seat forward all the way, or backwards all the way. We're just going to zip these 2 front bolts off. Then we're going to slide these brackets underneath the seat. The factory bolt is going to go back through here, the lower hole, back into the factory location. Then the new bolts and the seat are going to bolt onto this hole right here. So I got to tilt the seat back. I'm going to try to do that with one hand. Oh, easy peasy. Look at that. Did it for me. So going to use that dowel, drop it right in. Same thing. Dowel's going to drop right in back here. Okay, our brackets are down. We take our factory bolt back into the factory location. Zip those down. Alright, so we're going to torque those 2 bolts down to factory spec. So give me a sec, I'll go grab my wrench. Okay, so I just looked up the torque spec. They're 27 pound-feet. So let me just do that. Alright, seat goes down. Lands perfectly in line. These are not the bolts that you're going to get. I had to use these bolts because I got the wrong bolts with the kit. So I had to get lock washers and stuff. So don't mind these. I'm going to throw those on the torque wrench. We'll jump into the back again, just snug those back bolts down and we're done. Then we just gotta throw our little trim pieces back on. I don't know which side is which. Right hand side. Just like that. Floor mat goes back down. Okay, we're all done. Alright, so how easy was that? That was the painless install of the Desert Does It seat jackers. Best mod I've done to the truck so far as it relates to comfort and stuff. So thank you so much for joining me. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up down below. It would really help me out. If you want to see more of the build, make sure you hit subscribe. We got lots of parts on the shelf to install. Thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.